These are the best credit card offers to help you travel for free. September is stacked with insane credit card offers. I'm talking free flights, massive bonuses, and perks that most people don't even know exist. I feel like this video is super important because the holidays are approaching and these credit card offers are the best that we're seeing in a long time. If you have a wallet, you need to watch this because these offers could literally put thousands of dollars back in your pocket. So stick around because I'm breaking down the top credit card offers you can't miss in September of 2025. Now make sure to comment the word bonus down below if you love getting free rewards from banks. Now, in case you were unaware, September has always been a big month for credit card rewards because banks know people are back from summer vacation, spending ramps up for the holidays, and they want you locked into their credit cards before the year ends. And that's exactly why September is one of the best months for sign-up bonuses and special offers. And this year, 2025 has some of the best deals we've ever seen. Now, we've got 5 awesome offers and I threw in a 6th bonus one. They're not in any specific order, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, offer number 1 is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, you currently have a limited time offer of 75,000 points bonus after spending $4,000 in 3 months. Now, that's worth around, I would say, $937 in travel through Chase's portal. Now, why is this fire? Because of transfer partners like Hyatt and United make this worth even more. Now, one of the biggest mistakes to avoid is don't use points for gift cards. It cuts the value in half. You want to always transfer your points to a transfer partner to get the most bang for your points. But what if you want to go all in with travel perks? This next Chase card just dropped one of the biggest bonuses we've ever seen. Offer number 2 is the Chase Sapphire Reserve new boosted bonus. A massive 125,000 points after spending $6,000 in 3 months. Now, in case if you're wondering, that's worth about $1,875 through Chase Travel and even more if you use transfer partners. Remember, transfer partners are the key. Now, some of the perks are going to be priority pass, lounge access, and you're also going to get a $300 annual travel credit, and you're also going to get 3x for every dollar spent on travel and dining. So why is this card fire, if you're asking? Now, this offer is specifically, in my personal opinion, for heavy travelers. This is one of the richest offers Chase has ever done. Now, here's a little insider secret that a lot of people don't talk about. You can only have one of the Sapphire cards per household. So if you already have the Chase, you can't get the Preferred. If you have the Preferred, you can't get the Chase Sapphire Reserve in the same household. If you're married, it doesn't matter. You still can't have it. I know that's pretty crazy, right? Now, offer number 3 is one of my favorites. It's the Citi Custom Cash Card. It's one of the most underrated cash cards out there. It's still one of the best 0 annual fee cards in my personal opinion because you're gonna get 5% back on your top eligible categories each billing cycle up to $500. You're also going to see an intro offer of $200 bonus after spending $1,500 in just 6 months. Now, you don't have to think about it. Your spending auto adjusts. That's what makes this card fire. Now, one of the biggest mistakes to avoid with this card is don't spread out spending too thin. Concentrate to max out that 5%. And another huge tip here, if you're ever going to sign up for any credit cards, of course, you could always use the link in my video description. A lot of them are just my actual referral links for me being a card holder for that specific credit card. But if you go into your computer and you use your private browser or your Google Incognito, you'll most likely get a higher welcome offer. Or if you get one of your friends to send you their link for their specific credit card, sometimes you'll also get an even higher offer than what we're talking about right now. So always take that into account before you ever get a new credit card. Offer number 4 is the American Express Gold Card. For a limited time, you're gonna get 100,000 membership reward points after spending $6,000 in just 3 months. This is one of the highest elevated offers I've seen in a long time. Now, I got my American Express Gold Card probably like 4 or 3 years ago, and this is the exact offer I got. It's been a long time since I've seen it actually come back. Now, you're also gonna get a $120 dining credit. You're also gonna get $120 in Uber cash annually. Now, why is this card fire? Because it's for foodies, travelers, and Uber users that squeeze in insane value here. Now make sure to comment the word gold down below if you'd love to eat out on the bank's dime, meaning you can actually use your points to dine out if you really want to. I don't suggest using them that way, but it's totally possible. Coming in at offer number 5 is the Capital One Venture X. Now this is still one of the best premium cards at a $395 annual fee, but for September, you're going to be getting 75,000 miles bonus after spending $4,000 in just 3 months. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Luis. Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now, why is this card fire? Because of lounge access and a $300 travel credit equals the fee basically pays itself. I mean, what more could you ask for, to be honest with you? One of the biggest mistakes that I see that everyone needs to avoid is not using the annual $300 credit. It's the secret to making this credit card free. You have to maximize and use every single credit that they give you. If you're not going to use the credits, then don't get the credit card, because then it doesn't make sense and this card is actually costing you money. Now, offer number 6 is the Wells Fargo Autograph Journey. It's a new 2025 launch. Now, this is in fact a brand new card that's making noise this month, because you're going to get a 60,000 point bonus after spending $4,000. You're also going to get 5x points on travel, 3x points on dining, and 3x on streaming, which pretty much every one of those categories is hit by everybody, except for travel might be a little bit crazier. Now, why is this fire? Because it finally gives Wells Fargo customers a serious travel card option, which they didn't have before. I'm not in any way, shape, or form a Wells Fargo fan, but I had to tell you about this credit card because it would be an injustice if I didn't. But always remember, you have to get credit cards that make sense for your lifestyle. Don't just get them because I'm talking about them. They truly have to make sense, and you're actually going to take advantage of all the credits, all the bonuses, and hit those spend bonuses so you can get the bonus points to travel for free. Otherwise, it makes no sense to get these. And never ever put yourself in debt to hit a bonus and then start paying 29% interest rates, because these credit cards all have high interest rates. There's no avoiding that with the majority of credit cards unless you get an introductory offer. You only want to use your card if you know you can pay it immediately so you can hit that spend bonus. And don't go out there and buy things you don't need. Just use it for your everyday spending that you're already using it for. Last part's the most important. Understand, these bonuses don't last forever. So most of these expire by October or earlier. That's why September is the time to act. Miss it and you'll regret it when you're paying full price for flights or hotels later this year. So there you have it, the top credit card offers you can't miss in September of 2025. From Chase to Amex to brand new Wells Fargo launches, there's literally something here for everyone. Now make sure to drop a comment with the word bonus or gold so I know you're serious about stacking rewards. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's going to show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.